Alright, what's up? How's it going here? This is gonna be a burrito type thing review. Oh, not a review, a recipe. First things first, I'm going to pre-game with some bread. Now, first things first, you're gonna want to think of beans. You need to have this big of a container, but only have it like at most 1/8 of the way full with beans. You're gonna want to pre-soak these overnight, and then you cook them for about 2 hours over lowest heat possible, and store them in their juices. And then you're gonna want some vegan cheese. This is Violife. I've never had it before. It says it melts great on it. So that's a good sign. Oh wait, well, while you're here, you're also gonna want to get your whole wheat tortillas. I have been to Mexico before, so this is 100% authentic recipe. Oh my god, I keep closing the fridge, sorry. And then finally, you're gonna want to get sriracha sauce. So now you get your stuff on the counter. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick pause. So I've torn my first tortilla, but as Jesus says, waste not, want not. So we're gonna, whoa, and there's fixed. Another important part of this recipe is fresh squeezed lime juice. So you're gonna want to get your juice. Sorry about that. You know what? Get another tortilla while you've gotta see this. Watch. Okay, no, it's supposed to play a song. Never mind. So get an avocado. Okay, so now you have the cheese, the sriracha, which is underneath the cheese and between the beans, and then you also want to take a lemon, and then essentially, oh my god, this is disgusting. Okay, this one's better. Essentially, you'll get the right amount of juice if you just put a whole lemon in. So then, put the spoon in your mouth, and then pop that bad boy in. And then you've put it in for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then you wait for it to, and then, what the heck? Oh, it's toasty. Oh, I already took it out. Okay, so then you cut the avocado, and then you put that on this, and then that's how you make the history of a tortilla chip. Alrighty, thank you for watching.